Hello everyone. In this video, I will be sharing another US FDA new drug approval update. On December 30th, 2025, the US FDA approved an oral small molecule Tradipitant, brand name NEREUS, for the prevention of vomiting induced by motion in adults. Now, let's dive into this medication in more detail. Tradipitant, brand name NEREUS. This medication was approved by the US FDA on December 30th, 2025, and indicated for the prevention of vomiting induced by motion in adults. Chemically, NEREUS is an oral small molecule with 1,2,3-triazo, pyridine, and trifluoromethyl motifs. Molecule weight 587.9 gram per mole. Hydrogen bond acceptor 6. Hydrogen bond acceptor refers to the number of nitrogen and oxygen within the drug molecule. Hydrogen bond donor 0. Hydrogen bond donor refers to the number of OH and NH groups within the drug molecule. Log P 4.46, which is a lipophilicity parameter for the drug molecule. The higher log P, the more lipophilic drug molecule. Polar surface area 74 square angstrom. This medication is available as capsules. The strength of the capsule is 85 mg with active pharmaceutical ingredients Tradipitant. Recommended dosage 85 or 170 mg as a single oral dose without food, at least 1 hour prior to or 2 hours after a full meal, approximately 60 minutes before an event expected to cause vomiting induced by motion. Maximum dosage in a 24-hour period is a single dose of 85 or 170 mg. Mechanistically, this medication works as a selective potent substance P, neurokinin-1 NK1 receptor antagonist, inhibiting drug-induced emesis in vivo, although the exact mechanism of action is unclear. Pharmacokinetically, Tmax, the median time to reach the maximal plasma concentration, is about 1.5 to 2 hours. Volume of distribution is 1,956 liters in healthy subjects. Based on in vitro studies, protein binding ranges from 96 to over 99%. Metabolism. Tradipitant is extensively metabolized, and in vitro studies suggest involve non-CYP450 mediated process, such as phase 2 conjugation metabolism with glucuronic acid by UGT1A4 and 2B7, as well as CYP3A4, 2C19, and to a lesser extent by 2C8. The mean elimination half-life for Tradipitant is about 34 hours. Excretion in the urine about 7% as metabolites. In the feces about 80% with mostly as metabolites. Drug-drug interactions. Given Tradipitant is a substrate of CYP3A4 enzyme, strong CYP3A4 inhibitors may elevate the drug exposure for Tradipitant with the increased risk of adverse effects. Currently, there are no contraindications listed on the prescribing information. The most common adverse reactions greater than or equal to 5% associated with the Tradipitant include somnolence, headache, and fatigue. Here are the key references which I have used to prepare for today's video. The US FDA new drug approval updates for 2025 is a very valuable resource. In addition, most of the medication information which I shared today is based on NEREUS prescribing information. This document is freely available at the US FDA drug website, along with the drug manufacturer website. Finally, I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, subscribe for future medication video updates. As always, keep learning and elevating. Thank you so much.